Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for Biology GCSE. To truly master the subject, active recall is your best friend. This means actively retrieving information from your memory, rather than passively rereading notes. Try using flashcards for key terms and definitions, or the blurting method where you write down everything you remember about a topic. Regularly testing yourself helps solidify your understanding and highlights areas needing more attention. Exam technique is crucial for success. Dedicate significant time to completing practice questions from various sources, including your textbook and online platforms. Crucially, work through past exam papers under timed conditions to get a feel for the pressure and pace of the actual assessment. Afterwards, meticulously review the mark schemes. This will help you understand exactly what examiners are looking for and how to structure your answers to gain maximum marks. Beyond memorization, true understanding is key. Develop detailed mind maps or flowcharts to visually connect different biological concepts and processes. This helps you see the bigger picture and how everything links together. Try to relate theoretical knowledge to real-world examples, like how enzymes function in digestion or the impact of deforestation. If you encounter any difficult topics, do not hesitate to seek clarification from your teacher or classmates. Finally, a well-structured revision plan is essential. Develop a realistic timetable, allocating specific time slots for biology and other subjects. Remember to incorporate short, regular breaks into your study sessions, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every hour. This helps prevent burnout and maintains your focus. Crucially, ensure you get adequate sleep and nutrition. A healthy body and mind are your best assets for effective learning and exam performance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.